Let me ask you something real quick. When's the last time you actually had $1,000 just sitting in your bank account? Not money you owe, not money you're waiting on, just yours, safe ready. For 57% of Americans, that answer is never. And if you're on a low income, saving even $100 feels impossible. But in this video, I'm going to show you the exact system to save your first $1,000, even if your paycheck is small. And yes, it actually works. Here's why saving feels impossible on a low income, and it's not what you think. According to Bankrate, a full-time worker in the bottom 25% of American incomes makes $42,000 a year or less. That's about $3,500 a month before taxes. After rent, food, gas, and bills, most people have less than $200 left. That's not a discipline problem, that's a system problem. And today, we're fixing the system. Step 1, and this is going to sound too simple, save $20 from every single paycheck. That's it. Research shows that saving just $20 a week adds up to over $1,000 in less than a year. You don't start with a big number. You start with a number that doesn't hurt. Because the secret to saving on a low income isn't the amount, it's the habit. $20 builds the muscle. And once the muscle is there, you increase the weight. Now, most people waste money in exactly 3 areas and don't even realize it. Number 1, subscriptions you forgot about. The average American pays for 4 streaming services, but only uses 2. That's $40 to $60 gone every month silently. Number 2, eating out. Even cutting 3 meals out per week saves $150 a month. Number 3, impulse buying. Wait 24 hours before any non-essential purchase. These 3 fixes alone can free up $200 every single month. Step 2, automate everything. The moment your paycheck hits, set up an automatic transfer of your savings amount to a separate account. Not tomorrow, the same day. Why? Because whatever stays in your checking account, you will spend. It's human nature, not a character flaw. Apps like Chime and Capital do this automatically. The money moves before you even see it. Out of sight, out of mind into savings. Here's something most people on low income don't know about a high-yield savings account. A regular bank savings account earns you about 0.01% interest, basically nothing. But a high-yield savings account through banks like SoFi or Marcus by Goldman Sachs earns you 4% to 5% annually. So while you sleep, your $1,000 is actually growing. It's free money on top of the money you're already saving. Open one today. It takes 10 minutes online. Now let's talk about the fastest way to close the gap earning extra. You don't need a second job. You need one extra $100 a month. Sell unused stuff on Facebook Marketplace. Most people have $200 worth of things they haven't used in a year. Drive for DoorDash or Uber Eats on weekends. Even 4 hours a week adds $80 to $120. One extra $100 per month. That's $1,200 extra per year. Do the math. Step 3, track your progress visually. Research shows that people who visually track their savings goals are significantly more likely to reach them. Draw a simple $1,000 thermometer chart on paper or use a free app like YNAB or Mint. Color it, and every time you add money, every dollar you add is a win you can see. And when you can see your progress, you don't want to stop. That's the psychology of saving. Make it visible. Let's put this all together in a real 90-day plan. Month 1, cut your 3 money leaks and open a high-yield savings account. Start saving $20 per paycheck automatically. Month 2, add 1 small income stream. Even $50 extra changes everything. Month 3, you now have $200 to $400 saved minimum with momentum behind you. By month 4 or 5, you hit $1,000. It's not magic, it's just math combined with consistency. You don't need a raise to save $1,000. You need a plan, and you just got one. Start today, not Monday, not next month. Today, transfer your first $20 right now. That one move changes your relationship with money forever. If this video helped, subscribe. Every week, I break down one money system that actually works for real people. Drop a comment and tell me where are you starting from. I read every single one. See you next week.